Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Slaughter gang. What is going on, everybody? Bitcoin dying, Trump blowing things up. Where are we going to go today? Golfing. Oh, man, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's jump into the chat. And let's take a look at the charts. What is going on, everybody? Not too pretty last night. I mean, Trump dump, man. Trump dump. Ooh, yeah. Okay. What's going on, everybody? How we doing? I'm trying to keep it down a little bit right now. My son is still sleeping, and we're not in the new house yet, so he's literally a room behind me. So if I get too loud, which I probably already have woken him up, he's not going to be pleased with me. My wife more so than anything. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Looking for the bounce in here. Clearly just couldn't get going, man. And then Donald did the thing, man. So here we are down at the lows. Can we get going? Can we continue to dump? Your guess is as good as mine at this point. This market has been treacherous lately. But either way, we still manage well, so I'm not too concerned. We do have a plethora of news coming out today. Army Piper's probably got his data, emotional, affection, erection going on right now. We do have U.S. a bunch of stuff today. Core PC, personal debt, GDP, income, spending, more fake numbers. So be aware of that. That's in the next 25 minutes that we do have coming out right now. So we'll see where that gets us. But Bitcoin rolling over quite hard last night. Was looking for the bounce city here. Just couldn't really get going, right? No real. Look at this hair this morning, guys. Look, I'm trying to grow out the man bun. What do you think? I'm well on my way. I hate this part of growing hair. I'm doing it for you guys. I am. I'm doing the hair grow, even though some of you guys have suggested not to do it. But don't you want to see Alexo Mulleto? I think so, man. I mean, at least let me get to Wolverine stage. I'll show up with some damn claws and start slapping them. Oh, man. So a little balloon dog here down at the lows. Can we get some relief? Looking for shorts at 73,800. See if we get into there. Trying to flip VWAP right now. A nice little bottoming structure here. Push out. See if we can catch a bid. NASDAQ. Sheesh. The NASDAQ rolling over quite aggressively. Okay, as we can see here. Swear jar. I've been doing pretty good with the swear jar. Considering I haven't felt like I've really betrayed the swear jar. Yeah, consolidation here. You know what? This isn't too bad. Downwards channel right now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so that's... Maybe we go from this high here. Regression trend tool is not bad, but sometimes it's a little bit of a nambe-pambe. I'm just trying to make a higher high, higher low here, so trying to get going. Yeah, I'm going to take that off. That's some wish.com TA right there. Ooh, pushing back here. ES, obviously big dump. Coming in. Stock market's not going to like it this morning. Oof. Big Donald Trumpian rollover. Yeah, here's that channel. That's a bit better. That's good. I like this. This is better. Can we get going is the question. I have to tighten this up a little bit. There we go. All right. Any push-up is for shorting. It's which one's gonna be the one that pushes the price up to Valhalla? That's always the question, right? Getting in the way of that. You think it looks good on the numbers today? Uh-oh, guys. Army Piper is somewhat bullish. That's a very bullish tell. What's going on, Ashunts? Good to see you, man. Good morning. Andre, how you doing, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for being here, you beautiful person. Norms, Jojo, Mojo, Jojo. Jennifer, good to see you. One of the 4 ladies who watches the stream. Alexandra G as well. Good to see you. Morty, Crypto Hung, MRPRG. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Ghost of Odyssey, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. What's going on? Good to see you guys here. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. Send it to 0 today. We'll see. We'll see. It's always another opportunity. That's the thing. Every day is an opportunity. I was up $2,000 yesterday. I ended up being down $2,500. So chopping me up a bit lately, which is part of the gig here, right? Part of the gig. Good to see you, Marius. How you doing? George, son of the king. Good morning. Thank you for being here. Isaac, what's going on, bro? Crypto Jim, how you doing? Cool Mar. Good morning. Decent Crypto. Chad P, how you doing, man? Good to see you guys. Philly Skills. Yeah, wow, wagwan. Good to see you, man. How you doing, Philly? A little bit of a rejection here at VWAP. Bear flagging. It's a bear flagging this morning. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, that's not good. This is not good. This is ugly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'd say it's pretty ugly. Yeah. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Oh, man. Philly Skills, good to see you. Curb Star, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Rashad, Shrian, good morning, guys. Army Piper, hold me. I don't know, Piper. That's kind of gay, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I'll give you a hug. I mean, I'm like, when I give people hugs, I'm like an ankle monitor. I'm so short. Cubanadian, good to see you, man. How you doing? Vinny, good morning. Shrian, Simeon, Davis, hell yeah. Good to see you, man. Rashad. Buck, how you doing? How am I? I'm doing all right, man. It's been a challenging trading week for me. It's the first time I've really had a little bit of Steve Ruggles in a couple months, 3 months since February. February, March, April, May, almost June now. So yeah. I mean, who's going to complain about 3 months of absolute dominance into 2 days of struggling? Like, of course there's going to be turbulence. There's always going to be turbulence. It's just how you handle the turbulence, right? Can you stay positive? Can you not be too down on yourself? Can you manage your risk properly? Do you spiral? Like, these are all the things that I have found over the years that have allowed me to have some sort of longevity in trading, even though I've only been doing this for 4 years. A lot of the time it's about capital preservation, right? Capital preservation. But you still got to be confident to take the trades, right? If you're not confident to take the trades, even when you're wrong, you're not going to make money when they're there either, right? So it's a balance. It's a balance. So I'm down. What am I down here? I was at 50,000 the other day. I lost 5. Then I lost 2.5. So I'm just under 43. I mean, that's part of it, right? So I'm down $7,000 this week. I made 20 last week. Okay, for anybody who's new here. So it's my first big kind of loss week in a while, man. So, but the week, my friend, is not over. It is not over, and there's still plenty of opportunity here to take advantage of price action, which is why we show up every day, right? Some days not so good, not so good, and some days very good. But at least we're honest here. That's the key, right? If you're not honest with yourself with your trading, how are you going to get better, right? You tell me. What's going on, Trench? Good to see you, bro. Aaron, Johnny, Milan, Trade Intuition, my man. How you doing? Jay Becker, good to see you. I, Reggie, Bunker. The original AlexO music is the best. That's because it's made by a human. Yeah, I agree, man. Shout out to Kid Mental, man. It's the OG song, gifted to me. Spawn, how you doing? Trade Intuition. Geronimo, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, man? Vegas, Terry, Mob the Great, McCall. How you doing, Aaron? J.R. Prince, the new name, J.R. Prince. How you doing, man? Good to see you, Chocolate. I always want to say your full name, by the way, Chocolate. I always want to say it, but, you know. Chocolate Salty Balls. Okay, did it. Oh, man. Vegas, Vinny, Marine, Mike. New day, new win. That's it, man. That's it, Mike. Thank you for being in the gang. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Ando Pancho, how you doing, man? Vinny, Vegas Claw, Mind Mates, Ando Pancho. You guys are awesome. Dusty. I know, I can't believe Army Piper's bullish. Oddly good. DB, good to see you, man. How you doing, Terry? JR Prince, Madara, Ankle Monitor. Yeah, that's me. I didn't want to call that dump master auto. Well, you did, man. You called it. You called the 20K, and now I'm down. I did the 20K week, and now I'm down 7, bro. It's been a while, though, so I deserve a little bit of a humble pie, you know? You got to take your lumps sometimes, which is important. Squiggly lines everywhere, putting in the work. Vegas, if we just shorted the flip zone, man. Why didn't we just short the flip zone and chill? I mean, how many times did we say to short this when we didn't? I mean, the gang knew. Here. We were all ready for that. And, you know, I should have been more aware. I think this is where I should have been more aware for a short. Because it's very simple price action on the way down. It's always easy in hindsight, right? It's always easy in hindsight. Breaking down right now. VWAP rejection, rotation down. Coming for the lows. No trade right now. Still waiting. We might just wait till news comes out. There's quite a bit coming out in 14 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here. 200 people here on the live stream. Oh, I didn't share the Bitunix link for you guys for the giveaway today. At least we're still giving away all the money. There's the link. You sign up, deposit, good to go. All right, good to go. Okay. Also saying no homo while doing it will crack them up and break tension. That's it. Yeah. I'm back. What's going on, Wave Logic? Good to see a harpist. Market makers strike again. Yeah, I held grown man as a grown man. You've just never been in a world that leaves you completely wrecked. Veteran life. Buck nose. That's beautiful, man. I love the vets. I love the vets. Often reminds you of some important things. Yeah, you gotta voice it. You gotta voice it. Exodus, good morning. Good to see you. Eero, good morning, gang. Thanks for solving my ticket. I finally got the 200 reward. Yes, let's go, man. Awesome, man. Yeah, I got that sorted for you. No problem, man. Thank you for being in the family, man. We will take care of you, man. Should I say man one more time? I think I said man about 5 times there, man. Do you know how fast you're going, meow? Meow. Do I look like I drink milk from a saucer, meow? Do I get all nibbly dibbly? Meow. Meow. Now I'm going to have to give you a ticket, meow. Oh, man. Meow. Good times. Konnichiwa. What's going on, Kudo? Good to see you, man. Andre. Come on, meow. Man. Piper still has a purse. You guys are brutal, man. Dump it. VWAP slap, continuation down. This just doesn't look good, guys. What a sell-off last night. Jeez. Looking to come into 71,800 is kind of the target. Oof. Everything. I'm looking to be a buyer at $78 Solana. So come on, baby. Come on down. Come on down to AlexOCrypto Town, if that's a place. Why was I looking? Oh, Ondo alert went off. XLM. XLM's pumping, guys. Aerodrome. Aerodrome's coming into a buy level right now. I need structure before I buy. Hype coming in. Oof, yikes. Yeah, Russell. Russell's still making higher highs, higher lows. Interesting. ES trying to push here. NASDAQ. Retracement down. Soy Boy Lana. My girl. Man, you getting beaten up. You getting beaten up. Failed to push. Rotation down. Yikes. Big old rug on Soy Boy Lana. Where she stops. $78. Biddy trying to hold the lows here. See if it can battle back and push back here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Beautiful day today. It's Thursday. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you're just chilling. I'm a chillin'. I don't have the goggles on today. I think they're unprofitable glasses, so I'm not touching them anymore for this week. I've decided. Are you guys superstitious like that? You think like some things? Sometimes you gotta lose some. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta let things go. Oh man, Solana coming back down here. Bitcoin sweep of the lows bounce. Sweep of the lows bounce. I don't know. 9 minutes till news, everybody. I'm here waiting. I'm here waiting. Oh my God, look at all you shorts. You guys are all bearish. I love it. Check Bobo. Bro, any trade in gold right now? I don't typically trade gold, my friend, but if you want to ask one more time, I would happily help you out. I mean, I don't need glasses. I have great eyesight, thank God. I'm sure that everybody says your eyes around 40 years old, you start needing glasses. I hope not. XLM screaming higher, 39K incoming. Shorts, eh? Good job, guys. 2. Nice. GG's, man. GG's. What's the news reporting on? It's just economic data. So we got core PCE, durable goods, GDP, personal income, and personal spending all coming out in 8 minutes. So data. We got the data coming out for the Fed. So it's important to kind of let it come in, and then we make a decision after that. As a scalper, you don't want to be entering a trade when Donald tweets or when data comes out. At least we can know when the data is coming out so we can stay away. With Trump, he just be rugging people. Failure to push here. Coming down here. Non-stack rotation down. Retest of previous lows. Uptrending momentum. Probably going to break in here. Let's keep that there. Yeah. ES looking weak. Big rollover last night. Holy. Bitcoin rejection. Head and shoulders. Knees and toes. Where we go, only Army Piper knows. That's why we send you over to his show after this show. All of AOC trades are golden. I mean, I manage risk really well. I think that's like my superpower. I've failed to just. I've overtraded the past 2 days. That's like clear as day to me. In reflection, my short bias has failed me too. I should have been more short bias. I was longing in very stupid situations when reviewing. Put a 1 in the chat if you review all your trades at the end of the day. Like it's a must in my opinion if you want to become. At least review, right? I know some people journal, blah blah blah. I ain't journaling. Okay. Put a 1 in the chat if you at least review your trades every day. You should. Losing is very data rich, right? It's very data rich. Losing will help you realize more about yourself than winning. There's more emotion attached to losing, right? I talked a lot about that in the first mindset video about using emotion to help you change your bad habits, right? If you don't have some sort of oomph behind it, you're not really going to change that much, right? You can be sick of losing, but are you going to do anything about it? That's the thing, right? A lot of people, oh man, this stuff is a scam, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, well, yeah, that attitude. Being a good trader means you're winning, 50+% of the time, maybe with a 2-to-1 R multiple, right? Which means you're losing a lot of the time. If you can't handle that, then this is not for you. I promise you that. It is not for you. A little bounce back here coming into the news. I'm just waiting for news right now, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. Thank you for being here. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? How you doing? It's we got 270 people here and only 70 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we're doing a $1,500 giveaway today at the end of the stream. Just sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, and then you can enter to win. Easy peasy. Doing good. I posted a full Bitcoin 101 class yesterday. Oh, you're educating the masses. Let's go. Let's go. Randy Hipper. They can't. I talk too much shit to go to a classroom. I talk way too much shit. Like, imagine me teaching like 14-year-olds about day trading. Like, listen here, boy. Don't do it. Go to Walmart. Push carts. Watch AlexOCrypto. Talk shit. Make money. Oh, man. Yeah, it wouldn't be good. I'm teaching my son how to trade. My son is 4 for 4 now. He took a $600 trade on the weekend. He made $600 on Sunday. He's 4 for 4. He's up $2,200 in his lifetime. He's 4 for 4, man. He's absolutely crushing it. I show him all the secrets, man. He's well ahead of the game. Imagine that you've been staring at the charts since you were born. Not staring, because he's not allowed to look at screens, but imagine, by the time he's your age, maybe he's a... Lesson 2, cuss like a sailor. You could do prison classes. Thanks, guys. Don't be a bitch. That's lesson number 1. Oh, man. Great job, though, Randy. I mean, that's good. I'm very happy you're educating the young community, the next generation of hopefully non-namby-pambies. Generation Alpha, Beta. Trench Juice is on the XLM train. He's long and strong. Good job, Trenchy. All you do is post wins, though, man. Wins in the Discord. Because all you do is win, no matter what. Here we go. Let's see where we go, where we stop. Only Randy Hipper knows about the data here. 7.9 durable goods. A little pump here going. A little pump. Another little pump. Oh my God, I hate these boxes. Push. All right. Core PCE coming in under consensus. Durable goods, 7.9% orders. That's really good. Data. Master beta data. GDP. Army Piper was right. Good. GDP's coming up. 1.6%. That's really good. This is good stuff, man. When I grow up, I want to be just like Army Piper. See, he knew. When you know, man. Great job, Army. Personal spending is not bad. Previous is 1%, but coming down to 0.5. VWAP slap and dump potentially here. Solana trying to pump. NASDAQ ripping. NASDAQ's pushing. Retest continuation. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. ES. No real reaction here on the ES. ES is like stoic in comparison to the NASDAQ here. Bitcoin trying to push. NASDAQ continuing. Got a little wick test potentially here on Solana. Little wick test considering a long here. NASDAQ can continue. Bitcoin slap and go. Got to get through VWAP here on Bitcoin. Potential little wick test here on Solana. Can Bitcoin follow through here? Can we get going? Push Bitcoin. NASDAQ climbing. Bitcoin needs to go here, otherwise lower. Push soy boy Lana. Bitcoin no push. NASDAQ continuation. Yes, no continuation. Bitcoin needs to get through VWAP, otherwise down. Looking for Solana to push here. NASDAQ needs to continue. Bitcoin flat. Right after news, so flat. That's weird. Can we go or no? Considering a long on Solana here. Let's do it. I think we're going up here. Push in Nambe Pambe. I'm going to take some off there. TP1. Up 100 here. Can we get follow through? Or is Bitcoin going to be lame? Bitcoin's being lame. Okay, probably going to get stopped out then. Stopped out $100. All right. Bitcoin's lame. VWAP slap and dump. Nasdaq still going up $100. GG's in the chat. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. Bitcoin just chilling, man. Chilling and then dumping. Well, I'm glad I took profits quickly on that one. Down we go. Failing to push. Data came in pretty good, though. I mean, we look at core PCE. So this is coming down here, obviously. But, you know, in comparison to what consensus was, we came below that. So that's good. Durable good orders. That's really good. Really rising here. A lot of orders. So that's really good for the economy. GDP coming in above expectations, 1.6. So increasing GDP, which is pretty good. Right? Bullish. Solana wick test. Not full wick test here, but close. I think it needs to go up now. Biddy doing some weird stuff though, man. So no touchy. Still waiting. Still waiting. Personal income 0. Not that great, but here we go. There's Solana. Solana woke up. See, I told you Solana was going up. It's just taking its sweet ass time here. Damn you, Solana. I was a little bit early. It's okay. Quick hundo. A quick hundo to start the day. Hip hip hooray. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you everybody for being on the live here, hanging out. 330 people here. You guys are awesome. Effing awesome. You hear that? I appreciate you guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Hell yeah, what's going on? Member for 4 months? God bless you, man. Otter gang. Otter gang. I think we need to come up here. 73.7. Got to flip this VWAP, though. VWAP's been a little bit of a namby here. So Solana looks decent. Got to flip VWAP as well. Double bottom. SFP continuation trade here. I was pretty cheap with that trade. That's why, like, typically you want to put your stop below this wick here and look for this. That's the typical trade right here. Stop just below this candle. Follow through here. See, this is what I mean. Like, my execution has been just like, I'm just a C hair short of, you know. Normally, AlexOCrypto waits, catches this wick, and he's long with everyone. So, like, I feel like I'm just a little, you know, little bit off. Right? Just a little bit, right? This is my home that I bought. If you guys didn't know, I bought a house. I'm really excited. I'm a little bit off. Looking to grab that liquidity. First take profit should be here. Front run it. Just a bit off. Can I say F you to Bitcoin yet? F you, Bitcoin. NASDAQ giving you the story here. Nice push up for the NASDAQ. ES pushing as well. Bullish. We're going to see, so we dropped and popped halfway up. Dropped and popped. Yeah, so we're going to come in somewhere around here on the SPY this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 340 people here, 94 likes. The data was good, in my opinion. I think that's pretty good, considering. Data is good. Someone's going to ask me for the data. I'm going to have to pull that up again. Solana, aggressive moves through VWAP. Bullish flip. Support and resistance flip. Continuation up. Looking to come for the liquidity of the highs. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. I made a quick $100. Who missed the dump last night? Not me. What VWAP is that, Alex? It's just regular VWAP, volume weighted average price, my friend. It's got 1-to-1 standard deviation, so 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 2.5 to 1, right? So whenever you get into like this zone, you tend to return to this zone. Depends on what's kind of being respected on the day is how I use that, but it's just regular VWAP, my friend. Okay, trying to push here. Flipping VWAP to support potentially here. Very indecisive here. Initial move was up, so we're looking for continuation up. NASDAQ continues to climb. So does the ES. The ES is actually breaking out right now, so this is good. I missed the dump last night. I lost money. That's how it goes, though. I mean, I think coming in and talking about losing money is more important than making money. I mean, I do a good job of making money, and I show you guys all the receipts, but I've found over the years, I'm less noisy when I'm making money, and I'm more noisy when I'm losing money because I need to be aware that, every day you come to the charts, it's a challenge, right? It's not like I come to the charts and I just, press buttons and money just appears now, right? There's always an opportunity that you have to try and prove yourself every single day. It's not like you just come to the charts and you're like, I got this, right? It's never like that, right? So when I'm wrong, I like to make sure that my community and my trading group and whoever watches this, is part of it. It's very important to be loud when you're wrong, so that you can. You're gonna be wrong. You're not necessarily trying to fix being wrong. You're just trying to take the fine-tooth comb to it and try to analyze where you can be better, right? The market's always changing. Your edge is always, you have an edge in the market. It's great to have, but you have to be able to adjust to conditions, right? And if you can't adjust to the conditions, we talk about bias a lot in the Discord where it's like, okay, my intention of the trade, what's the bias for the day? Where are we at? What are we looking to do? And if I can implement that around my edge, it allows me to be more successful, right? I have failed to really have a short bias since we've broken down here. I should have had short bias ever since we mitigated the low in here. I should have had short bias all through here. It wasn't that good. We knew we were trying to get above here. We failed so many times. We had multiple opportunities to short in here, right? Look what happened, right? So that general bias of, hey man, we're looking for pullbacks for continuation up was wrong, and I paid for it, right? And I'm very good at shorting. Ask me about my my November about shorting, and I'll show you the tickets if you want to see. I did 147,000 in November. last year, shorting. So when people are like, "Oh, you're always long," fuck yeah. Tell my biggest days that, right? But we come in here and we just, not trying to paint this fucking Lambo easy trading lifestyle, right? You even saw Jason Casper was long yesterday from the Golden Pocket in here, right? And he held that sucker. He was up $2,000 or whatever, right? He was looking for something like this, right? You gotta take your stabs, right? You gotta take your probability setups, even when you could be wrong. You gotta pay yourselves, but nice continuation here. Let's go Solana push. If you're not doing that, you're not really trading. You're just coming in here and gambling and rolling the dice and hoping, right? I agree. Most traders are so interested in letting other traders know they made money instead of talking about the losses, the reasons why it happened. So many don't talk about the losses. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's so true. I mean, I was up 2,000 something yesterday and gave it back. That's how it goes sometimes. Right? That's how it goes sometimes. But it's about that bias. It's about that idea and really putting it to work and then implementing good risk management and good strategy around that. Like if you can't do that, you're going to suffer. Great long on Solana there. I was early. I was very early. This would have been nice. This would have been a nice $1,000 start the day trade, but it's that confidence lately, right? You take a couple of lumps and have a great day, Trade Intuition. Guys, make sure you're following TI here. Good trader, good person. Go and check him out. I'd be taking profits right here on Solana if you did long that. I'll tell you about my wiener. SFP is the highs coming in. I haven't had a red day in 2 weeks. That's great. You've been trading for how long? 5 months. Oh. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Have you ever seen the chart? I gotta bring I'll bring you the chart just so that you're aware. Just to prepare you. It's very important to be prepared. All right. It's where is the chart? I gotta find that chart. There it is. I like this one. This one I think is the best kind of depiction here. Here's the chart. It's very true for a lot of people here. All right. So the trader's journey, right? You get your first profit. They get you. They hook you. The first one's free, right? And then you start. I would say you're here. I would say you're somewhere here, right? Where, you know, your first 4 months, you're losing some money, whatever. You're not really seeing the charts the way you should be. Now you're starting to see the charts, right? This is what you got to watch out for. Okay. The market will humble you. The market will change. You might be great in a downtrend right now. You might be crushing it. Bear market. I started in a bear market, right? A lot of people quit right here. This is where everyone quits. I say my students or my my family members in my Discord, people get some, you know, some handouts, some good trades from FJ or myself or Brewberry. They crush it, and then they start, yeah, and then they leave. Trading's bullshit. Few people get into here. Few people. Be aware. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying you're doing bad or good or. See why you front run your take profits, everybody? Do we see? Right? Do we see why? Exactly right there. That's exactly why. There's no shortcut home. I want to be paid in a stack of $250 bills. Is he going to put his face on it? Mic drop. All right. Here it is, guys. It's time. It's time for coffee. There's no live trading today. We're going to do 2 hours on Friday. There's no live trading after the live today. I don't know if you guys are aware. For all Discord members, we're going to do 2 hours tomorrow. Just letting you know. We're still doing the big giveaway today.
Give it the VWAP, stop it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it, trade the ones, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby, push it, get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip, push it, slap it, pump it. Give it the VWAP, slap it, pump it. Hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it. Trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall. Wait, stop, lost the entry. Don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink dots, make the green candle pop. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get
What's going on, gang?
Base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit.
This
Get
song
out of your wanking
gets me
chariot.
going, man.
Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top.
Oh, my son. My son is hilarious, man. He's shooting basketballs already. Be careful, this may go up. I mean, we'd be long from here. But AlexOCrypto's a nambe pambe. That's all right. We're up $100 today. What's going on, gang? 330 people. 107 likes. You guys are brutal. Oh, I'm kidding. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. See where we go today. Bullish news. The data was good. We can see the ES likes it. The NASDAQ likes it. Donald Trump's going to talk about the biggest GDP you've ever seen. Whatever. Whatever, man. Thank you for being here. Hanging out. God bless you guys. Bitcoin dumping overnight. Let's not forget that they're still blowing each other up over there in the Middle West. Oh, man. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. Sure, man. Oh, man. It's good coffee. It's good coffee. It's always good coffee. It's always good to be here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. We'll see what we get today. A little bit of a news data flop and grope in here. Consolidating up at the highs, trying to flip VWAP and push. Trump's a douche canoe. Good morning, Bruce. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Yeah, good to see you. The only thing I do require here, you don't have to hit the like button, but say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. It's the only requirement here is say good morning. You can use the links or hit the like, whatever you want to do, subscribe, but at least say good morning. Don't be weird, man. Okay? You're watching a screen while watching me watch a screen who's watching a screen. It's fucking weird already. Say good morning, man. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. All right, Bitcoin breaking down. Trying to push back right now, looking for resistance at 73,700. Down only, clearly. Looking for support to come in at 71.8. This would be our golden pocket of the higher term time frames. If we zoom out here and we look at this, you know, impulse move would be from this low right here. So we go from this low to this high. And we would see that this is our golden pocket zone down below here, 786. This is our macro golden pocket, which is much lower. All right, which is 78. You guys know the pull. How low do you think we're going to go? Where are we going to get the bounce? We'll see. We got the head and shoulders, knees and toes pattern here. Obviously, we can see it. We're not blind. However, Bitcoin has failed to push back here. We had V-shaped recovery and no head and shoulders breakout pattern here. I got kind of married to it. I got wrecked the past couple days. That's fine. Live and learn. 20K last week, down 7K this week. Okay, it ebbs and it flows. However, we're here taking the trades every single morning, and what can we see? Really, it's a matter of if this, then that. Can we push back? Can we get some relief? Retest the previous lows, untested wicks. push back. We'll see. However, I would prefer us to just rip the Band-Aid off, come back down in here, get some nice accumulation, and potentially push up into all the liquidity above us here from all the people selling. But it doesn't necessarily always go that way, right? Maybe they're front running us right now. Maybe it's going to push it back up and come and recover this big nasty dump from the news yesterday. We don't know, but we know how to participate safely. So, we've given a long this morning on Solana from down here. I got it way too early, obviously. Target being up into here. So this was kind of the setup this morning. See if it does want to continue. Congratulations on your long, though, everybody. Great job. After the news data, see if we can continue to push. We just swept the highs right now. We might need to come lower, okay? We might need to come into here, in my opinion, before continuing. So we'll see if we lose VWAP and we come back into here. We could look for a potential pushback. Looking to recover, obviously, this guy in here. If this, then that. Okay, big rollover last night. We were looking for support to come in here. We never really got it, right? It just bull div fails. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Rollover, right? So if this, then that. We'll see. We got a lot of liquidity and imbalance for us to come back and hunt today if it wants to push. If it wants to push, we can easily get back up to like 74.5. Depends, right? It always depends, right? If this, then that. So we'll see. But so far, the higher term time frame trend is down. Market cipher is ugly right now. Everything's bottoming out, right? 4 hour down below, 3 hour down below, 2 hour down below, 1 hour down below. Red money flow, trying to push back here. A little bit of a pushback on the 1 hour. Looking for a trigger wave. Okay, looking for this guy to come in. Okay, so patience. I would love to see like a lower low like that and a anchor trigger wave on the hourly, but you don't always get what you want. The 12 hour absolutely doom scrolling down here late at night, dying daily, very overextended, no sign of relief yet. 3-day printing yesterday, dying. Okay, so everything's down, which is okay, because eventually you do get some relief. We'll see what we get eventually, but our job is to wait for structure, that kind of deal, and we'll see what we get today. A prepared trader is a profitable trader, right? So the bias is still down. We would like to see a sweep and go break of the momentum here. However, if we need to come back down and sweep and then get long, that's fine too, right? However, we can continue this short all the way down to 0. Because all of you guys are super bearish. Either way, up, down, all around, we're still here, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again, showing the account. Account's at 40. We just made $100. We were at 42,800. Now we were at 42,900. We were at 50,000 to start the week. Okay, there it is. Showing the losses too, guys. You got to. It's part of it. Humble pie is always around the corner if you're not prepared. So here we are. I've just been a little bit off on my execution, over trading a little bit, but at the end of the day, for this month I'm up. The account was at what? For this month, I don't even know what the account was at this month. We can check if you want. What was the account at this month? The account at the start of the month was at, where's the first? Guys, it was at $25,400. Okay. You guys tell me. And I've deposited once already. I've already deposited, what did I deposit? 15,000. Yeah, so whatever it's at. So is that yeah, it's been rocky, man. If I show you here. Right, so is that back here? It says so the first 25,000. So started at 25,000 on the first, deposited into the bank 15,000 here. Okay, so 25, 15, and look, it's been a rocky road this week, man. It's been a rocky road. Right? But if you do the math, you get 25,000 25,000, right? Plus 15, right? So that would be what I deposited into my bank account. And I'm at 42. So 42 right now. 42 minus 25, sorry. 42 minus plus 15. I'm up 32,000 this month. You got to think of months and years, guys. I mean, you want to times that by 12? Right? Long-term game. Slow and steady, man. Showing you the trades, showing you the account, taking the trades on a daily basis, man. That's it. That's all I can do. I'll show you what I do. You can join the Discord. We have a sale on right now. I show you exactly what I do. I show you all my setups, all my goodies. $20 off right now if you want. Code vanilla. What is the best ice cream? If you want to join, it's the summer. Go enjoy your summer. A lot of people cancel their Discord memberships and then go and enjoy their summer, which is, I honor that. That's cool, man. Failing to push here, Solana coming back down. Sweep of the highs, liquidity grab, down we go. Looking bearish here. Aggressive move through VWAP is bearish. 20 minutes till market opens, everybody. ES continuing to climb. NASDAQ looking a little bit toppy right now. Patience right now, everybody. Thank you for being on the live stream. 360 people. Every time I say 360, I want to spin in my chair. But here we are. Discord's the real deal. God bless you, Mike. I appreciate you, man. You get VIP 3 on the Bitunix link. If you sign up with my my affiliate, you get pretty good fees. Let's go, Dusty. The only pie that makes you lose weight, the humble pie. Or the hair pie, depending on what you're looking at. I went there, guys. It's oh, the hair pie, watch out. Paul, what's going on, bro? Paul Sampson, one of our incredible, gorgeous, insane analysis persons. Okay, this guy, Paul Sampson. Go and follow him. I love this guy. He's one of our big traders in our Discord. Big swinging dick energy, bat patterns, fractals, not fractals. He's Batman, Sharkman, every man. Go follow Paul. God bless you, bro. Can I business inquiry you? I love you, bro. God bless you, man. CVO's the man. He does some alpha for us every week in the Discord. Does a full-on live stream, gives you guys all the goodies. I love you, Paul. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. God bless you, man. Thank you for being in the family and supporting the channel and supporting the gang, too, in the Discord. Wild times, man. I love you, too, Wemba fan. XLM 30%. Yeah. There's CVOs. Go subscribe to Paul over here. Let's go, man. When you gonna invite me to come golf with you, bro? I'm waiting, man. Where's the fucking invite? Come down to Florida. I've booked it some tee times. I jump on a plane, bro. You know that. Please do it in the winter. Can you do it in like February or something, bro? Be like, come down and golf. I'd like to see you break. I'll help you break 100. Do you trade Bitcoin options too? Unfortunately, no. Sell off. NASDAQ dumping. Big sweep and dump. Coming into market open. Puckered. Everybody's puckered. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up here. Trying to push back. Rotation down. Let's go to the Disney course. What are we playing? Mini putt? Thank you, Wemba. I appreciate you, man. Great job, DC. Our DG trades. Great job, man. Congratulations on your short. That's awesome, man. I love seeing you guys win. You guys can come in here and brag all you want. It's not necessarily bragging. Like, if you're winning, that's great, man. I love seeing you guys do it, man. It's cool. You can come in here and flaunt all you want. I just want you to be aware, you know, I expect you guys to be being honest with yourselves. That's the only thing I ask, is I want you guys to win. That's all. Mm-hmm. How about those Montreal Canadiens getting their asses absolutely handed to them yesterday? I'm sorry, I'm a Leafs fan. I love seeing the Montreal Canadiens lose. I'd rather Carolina go through. I need someone to try and beat Mitch Marner this year. Fucking Mitch Marner. Sorry, I'm upset. Okay. I'm upset about Mitch Marner leaving my Leafs in. Rotation down, baby. Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Just waiting for market open here. We got 16 minutes. Seems like we are going down right now. A little bit of patience here, guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you for being here on the live stream. Bitcoin, a little bit of a pump and dump here. No legs. Sweep of the highs on Solana. Poof, down we go. Down we go. NASDAQ, trying to find some support here as well, into a support level, retesting these lows. Yeah, could potentially hold here. Looks like it's coming lower, really. Like, Solana needs to come down into here. Bitcoin needs to come here too. Down we go. Where we stop, only Marine Mike knows. Thank you for being here, guys. Let's go Carolina. Any thoughts on Ethereum now? Yeah, it's below 2,000. It looks like dog crap, man. Looks like dog crap. I don't trade Ethereum because it's just, I'm aware of Ethereum. It's just too scammy. It's coming down to the lows, man. 18.5. If I was a betting man, 18.5. If we're going to continue, look at this thing. This thing has no blue pills left, man. It's on a hot date. I would say retest to previous lows at 22,000, retest to 2,000, and down. Come for this liquidity in here. That's what I would say. You do have major support at 19. I would say 1930. Major support 1930 on Ethereum. You can see how well it was respected in here. So 1930. Never mind 18.5. 1930. How it reacts down here is very important. If it gets there. Okay, if it comes down in here and it bounces and you get, oh, you're long here. Besides that, Ethereum looks like absolute turd. Sweep of the lows again on Bitcoin. Retest of the high here. Retest of the high here. Considering a short on Solana here. Below VWAP. Continuation down to the lows. Coming into market open. NASDAQ trying to hold here though. NASDAQ trying to hold. Bitcoin looks to be rolling over here. Looking for Bitcoin to come down to 73. Considering a short on Solana here. Through VWAP aggressively. Hmm. 12 minutes till market open. Bitcoin rolling over. Bitcoin's got to come here. That means Solana comes for these lows at minimum. Considering the short still. Let's see how it reacts here. Bitcoin could sweep and bounce here. NASDAQ is holding. I'm still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Can you please say rotation down? I'm short Sol. Rotation down. I got you, bro. If not 72, then 68. But 72 is massive volume support, so. The humming. I got the song stuck in my head, man. Take the money and run. I can't help it, man. It's stuck in my head. Bitcoin down. Bitcoin needs to die here. NASDAQ isn't showing signs of death, though, yet. Bitcoin's stalling out hard here. I can't stop. The VWAP slap is stuck in my head hard right now. Maybe we got to play the douche canoe song or something. Solana's still holding here. Might need to retest VWAP up into here. Okay, NASDAQ's starting to rotate down. Can it follow through? Go on, Bitcoin. Be free. Let's give it a whirl. I'm short. Solana. A little bit risky into market open here. I just want it to go to these lows here. I mean, it could come down here, but dump it. We still got 8 minutes till market open here. Let's see where we're at in 8 minutes. Don't bounce there, Bitcoin. Come on. NASDAQ, come on. It needs some motivation, I think. I think it needs some motivation. I need to get that song out of my head, guys.
AlexO, all-tech gang gang. We want slap rotation now, now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it.
Put a 2 in the chat if you're short.
Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are
Since
short.
last night. Let's go, Roth.
Bitcoin, bye-bye soul. Elevator down, losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0.
Golden pocket here for Bitcoin.
Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again.
Come on. Really?
Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the
NASDAQ pushing back now.
dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Buy it.
Go on. Well, there you go. GG's, guys. Up 100, stop loss to entry. See, the song worked, guys. Let's go. You're welcome. Love you all. GG's in the chat. Let's go. Yeehaw! Let's go, gang, gang, gang. Good job, everybody. Another one. That's a wild sweep, though. Bitcoin Golden Pocket 786 here. Caution, we could bounce here. So probably going to get stopped out. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Great scalp. Great scalp, everybody. Another one. DJ Kelly. Into the golden pocket 786. Nice rotation down. Stopped out. $100. On to the next one. Bye-bye, Bitcoin. Ciao for now. We're coming into market open too, so I don't really want to be exposed into whatever is going to go on in the next 3 minutes. I just want to wait now. Up $200 today. Slow and steady, baby. Slow and steady. Do you not say when you're entering was a bit... Dude, it was hovering around the entry price for 5 minutes there on the screen. You do you, man. This ain't financial advice, man. We just a bunch of degens here. Do you look for a percentage on your trades or scalps or dollar amount, bro? No, I look for where liquidity is going to go. And that's where I look to take profit initials and then leave runners, right? So for me, I know generally if we go low to high here, we're looking golden pocket 786 imbalance in here, right? Generally. So I'm looking for first TP to come into this high right here, and it hit. Okay, but I'm looking generally in this area for first take profit. And then I'm de-risking. And then we'll see where we go. Obviously coming into market open. Fireworks, right? Fireworks. So patience now. Took forever to play, but yeah, I'm just looking to hunt liquidity. So like obviously like the short here, you're looking to come down to the lows. Liquidity. But the first real, if you're scalping this, you're looking for follow through into that initial bounce area. That's going to be your first bounce area, right? If you're looking at that generally. Intention of trade, right? We talk about that a lot. Like if I was looking intraday, it would be entry here, stop loss above the high, target of the lows. That's your intraday trade, right? That's not what I was looking for. Plus we don't have any. I mean, this is a break here, SFP, continuation down, right? Into market open, though. We got 1 minute. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Golden pocket for Bitcoin, though. Golden pocket imbalance. I knew we were close to the bounce level for Bitcoin, so that also plays a part in me taking profits there and getting out. Continuation shorts coming, yeah. Yeah, retest of lows, continuation down. No problem, man. Yeah, like the thing is with runners, like sometimes they run, sometimes they don't. Like a lot of the times they don't. I would say like 1 out of 5 runs. But when the runners run, you instead of making $200-300, you make anywhere between $15,000 and $3,000, right? Because it's like really like scalp entries are pretty precise, right? Like if you're scalp short here and you take your initial profit and then it just continue. I mean and for me, I'm putting 800,000 sometimes on the trades, right? I take initial, I still got 400 running, right? I still got $400,000 trade running down, de-risked, right? So here we go, baby. Let's go. SPY gapping. Oof. Okay. Gap filled already. Gapping down. Gap filled. No gap here. So gap was filled right away off of this. Here was our gap. It's been filled already. Has permission to go up. Permission to go up here. Golden pocket bounce level for Bitcoin. NASDAQ flying. Bitcoin trying to hold golden pocket here. Trying to hold the golden pocket here. NASDAQ flying off. Bitcoin considering a long down here. Solana, VWAP slap. NASDAQ pumping. SPY dumping. Golden Pocket 786 here for Bitcoin. Can it push out? We'll see. Happy market open, everybody. God bless you. Thank you for being here on the live stream with me, hanging out. We'll see if we want to go here or if we're just going to continue to go down. Big sell-off. Big sell-off. So down we go. Where we go, nobody knows. We'll see if we bounce. If not, we wait. Lower. Big sell-off. VWAP slap. Continuation down here for Solana. NASDAQ coming down hard. Bitcoin coming down hard. Nice dump. Golden Pocket 786 mitigated. NASDAQ trying to hold. SPY rolling over. Solana rolling over. Dump it. Says lower. Big dump coming in here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out here. Up a couple hundred today. Everybody quite bearish down here, so potentially a bounce back. Like I said, I would love for Bitcoin to take the lows and bounce, but this is selling off quite aggressively here. Solana trying to hold on for dear life. No signs of strength. ETH rolling over. SPY rolling over. Bitcoin holding on here. Giveaway today. That should be fun. $1,500 giveaway. Use the Bitunix link pinned in the comments. 450 people here on the live stream. Congratulations on your short. This thing is dumping, baby. NASDAQ, bye-bye. Bitcoin, bye-bye. Sell off, baby. Sell it off. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I'm not going to sing anymore. I'm sorry for making your ears bleed, everybody. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Only 160 likes, so I'm going to keep singing until you get that to 200. How about that? You guys can tell me you're short and long, but you can't hit the like button. Oh, man. Anyways, I'm just giving you shit. Thank you for being here. Push back. Push back or continuation. Push back or continuation. Bitcoin needs to sweep the low here. Down we go. Geronimo. NASDAQ. SPY. Lower, lower, lower. All says lower. Big gap down below here on the S&P. Woof. Bye-bye. Big sell-off. SPY down. Biddy just flat. What the hell's going on with Bitcoin? Love from India. Thank you. I'm 6 foot short. Sweet, man. I hit the like first thing every day. Thank you. I appreciate you. I mean, it doesn't move unless I complain. It gets to like 130 for those who are real ones, and then it stays flat until I ask. So. No reaction here on Bitcoin. Just down. Down, down, down. Looking for a sweep of the lows on Bitcoin. Solana's flat. Lower. VWAP slapping down. NASDAQ. SPY holding range, but not that great, guys. Looks like lower. Here comes Bitcoin. Down we go. Where we stop, only Marine Mike knows. NASDAQ down, SPY down, everything down. Sweep of the lows. Can we go? Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Beautiful. Beautiful. NASDAQ continues to roll over. SPY, same deal here. No trade. No trade. Equal lows all around. Look for a sweep here. I mean, this is not where you long. That's for sure. Falling off a cliff here. All around. Little pushback here from Biddy. Little pushback from Biddy. NASDAQ trying to hold the lows. Considering another short here. Bitcoin needs to roll over, though. Need Bitcoin to come sweep. NASDAQ dying. SPY's dying. Yeah. Lower. Very weird spot for Bitcoin to catch bids, in my opinion. Very weird. NASDAQ dying. Yeah, considering a short, still waiting here. Might need to come up a bit. Bitcoin catching a little bit of a bid here. Not much, but a little. NASDAQ. Lower, man. Big sell-off. SPY. Lower. Bitcoin. Lower. Bitcoin needs to come here. Oh, NASDAQ a little pop here. Retest and down. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Even gold is falling. Yeah. Orb is in 3. Yeah, we'll see. Right, orb is going to be in, baby. I mean, SPY's rolling here, guys. Flat. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY bouncing. Sweep and go. Sweep and go. Come on, Biddy. Sweep and go. Just do it. Sweep and go. Oh, NASDAQ, you so mean. Retest of lows. Continuation down. Do it, Bitcoin. Come on. Do it, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream, hanging out. We're doing a giveaway today. That should be fun. 450 people here. I need 3 more likes for 200. That would be cool. That would be cool, man, if you guys could just tickle that like button for me. H-bar liftoff. Sweet, man. We getting some pumps in here. H-bar, yeah, there you go. There you go, man. Whatever you're into. Habar. I call it Habar. Sweep it, Biddy. Come on. Sweep it. Sweep and go. You guys are all printing with those shorts. I see you out there. Congratulations. GG's on your shorts, everybody. No trade right now. I'm still waiting. That's because it is shit, Austin. Orb is in. Orb is in, baby. Ray Orb is in. Great job, DB. Good job, man. Order block retest, continuation down. NASDAQ, little bounce. SPY trying to push back here. Ooh, SPY getting a bid. That's not bad. SPY getting a bid. Is that sufficient? Can we get a pushback here? I'd say Bitcoin still needs to take the lows, but we'll see. Still waiting here. NASDAQ doesn't like it. SPY, heesh. Trying to hold here. SPY's trying to hold. ES dying. SPY dying. NASDAQ's dead. NASDAQ needs to come here. quite choppy. Choppy. So like a lot of the times when price is dumping, right, they'll consolidate and they'll like stop people out from like trying to get the continuation trade, and then boom, right? And then boom, right? They chop it, they pop it. They chop it, they pop it. They chop it. I would say they pop it, right? Chop and pop. If the SPY catches a bid, though, I think we go up. So NASDAQ is clearly just getting rejected all the way down here. Weakness all the way through. Bitcoin needs to take the low, minimum. Solana, yep, retest to order block, continuation down. Lower. Lower. Damn, Daniel, she flat. Oh, Bitcoin trying to get a bid. Lower, lower, lower. What's going on, everybody? 460 people here. Thank you for subscribing and hanging out here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful trading day. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Just patience right now. Continuation down throughout. Bitcoin trying to hold the low here, lower orb. NASDAQ continues to roll over. SPY continues to roll over. Ethereum. Yeah, ETH looks like turds as well. I'd say it still needs to come down into here. We want violence, right? We want to see, you want to see aggression. You want to see volume coming in, do a job, right? No volume right now. I mean, it's picked up a little bit, but we're not getting a hell of anywhere. We're just kind of staying put. Now, this is liquidity. We could get V-shaped recovery very easily, right? So we could potentially have, that's why we're not short right now, because we could easily get this. This squeeze from here to here is not worth it for me right now. We'll push back here. It's trading much more like the S&P right now, confluence-wise. Trapping shorts at the lows right now. Let's invert the chart, take a look, right? That helps, doesn't it, right? So we're looking for an SFP dump. So we're looking for an SFP pump right now, potentially. Looking for this guy. Reclaim of orb is typically bullish. That's what we're looking for, in my opinion. Otherwise, lower. And your retest is the lows. So no trade here, in my opinion. We'll see. Nice pushback here, stalling out. That's just wrecked a whole bunch of shorts. We know that. NASDAQ bounce. SPY bounce. Solana bounce. Trapping shorts. Good job, no trade. Very good, no trade. Bitcoin holding, trying to push. Order block retest, continuation down potentially. Still waiting here. Solana, wick test, potential continuation up here. Mixed signals, no trade. NASDAQ's going, SPY's going. No strength here. Like to see a wick test on Solana, if anything. Still waiting here. Bitcoin coming down. Didn't take the low. Interesting. SPY climbing. Bullish. NASDAQ climbing. Bullish. Bitcoin's got a push here. NASDAQ could push. SPY's got to continue here. Retest of order block continuation. Potential. Wick test on Solana here. Still waiting. Got to bounce here, Bitcoin. Considering the long. Spiraling over. I might get it. I might not take this. Bitcoin's got a push here. Let's give it a whirl. Gotta go. The SPY pushes back here. We're okay. Yuck. Wick test continuation up trade. Push. SPY dumping. I'm going to cut that there. I'm out. SPY's dumping. I'm out. Let's see if it goes. It looked like this. Let's see if it goes here. Just curious. Break even trade. You got your wick test here. Just front ran it a little bit. $100 loss there. SPY bouncing. Bitcoin. I'm going to regret this one, aren't I, guys? What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Splitting hairs, I think, a little bit here. No, thank you, says Andre. Hands, yeah. Bitcoin trying to push here. This looks like it could go up. I'm going to regret this one, aren't I, guys? Leaving $1,000 on the table. AlexOCrypto. Bitcoin about to pop. Let's be real. I could have got out with like a TP there or something, right? Like I could have been a bit more patient with that. I ain't mad at that though. I didn't like it. If I didn't like it, I'm okay with that. The issue is that Bitcoin hasn't taken the low here. That's my issue. We have equal lows here, and we haven't taken the liquidity out of the low here. So it's like, is this a trap? Potentially. Are we chopping like crazy? Absolutely. Just dump it so I feel better about my close. I would appreciate that. Oh man. NASDAQ flying. Same with the SPY. My God, it's going to go. Here it goes. Poof. Solana. Poof. Chop and pop. And go. Oh, thank you. Oh, I feel so much better. Oh, I feel much better. GG's for the break-even trade. I feel much better now. $800 loss versus $100 lost. Risk management. There you go. It's going to take the lows for some bull divs. Yeah. Exactly. Trapping traders up at the highs, right? Burgers and fries. Very good close. Good patience, AlexOCrypto. Good discipline. Seeing it. At least I'm seeing it, man. Saving myself a lot of money there. Look at that. Saving myself a lot of money there. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. You got to celebrate those. You got to celebrate those calls. Uncertainty in trading is detrimental to your P&L. We all know that. We all know that. It's got to take the lows. Take the lows. Do we get GGs for good risk management? I think GGs is in order here. I think GGs is in order. We're going to do a giveaway in 10 minutes. What a dump, man. That's disgusting, isn't it? Oh, it's so gross. Chop and then die. Ugh. While giving you the bullish narrative with the S&P. What a dirtbag. Ugh. Take the lows, Bitcoin, you namby. Such a todger, man. So Discord members, we're not going to go live scalping today. Got a busy day ahead of me. But we're going to do 2 hours tomorrow on a Friday. Hopefully the price action's a little bit better. I will have updates for you guys today as well. But I got a lot of house stuff I got to deal with and life stuff. So we won't go straight into scalping today. We will do an extra hour tomorrow with you guys. So we'll do a 2-hour session tomorrow, live scalping, taking the trades, showing the trades, no delay, all that good stuff. So just so Discord members know. Oh, yeah, dump it. Dump it, baby. We will be doing the giveaway. We should do the giveaway now. Why don't we do the giveaway now? Let's do the giveaway now for all you handsome, beautiful, gorgeous people here hanging out on the live. 430 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here. Here's the link for the giveaway, everybody. Hopefully get your raffle tickets. $1,500 giveaway. Go to the lottery. Stop whining. Go to the lottery. Why is this? It's a round 2 draw, isn't it? Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday. This is last week's. Sorry, guys. Let me get the new one. There's a new one every week. Every week we do $5,000 worth of giveaways on Bitunix. All you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link and deposit, and you're good to go. Okay, our trading volume counts too. And get your raffles. Get your raffles and get your free money, man. That's what it's all about. Thank you guys for using the link and supporting the channel. It does support me too, so thank you for doing that. I do appreciate it. We're going to go to the lottery now. Dump it, baby. Here we go. Bounce. Bounce. Bounce or no? Bitcoin taking the low, trying to bounce. No trade yet. Solana taking the low. No bounce, no bounce. Still rolling over, no trade. Bitcoin's got a bounce here. SPY. No bounce on Bitcoin. Lower, guys. Taking the low. Bounce. Bounce. No bounce. Gotta go. I'm long. Bounce. We'll do the giveaway soon. Once we make some money. Push ya, Nambe Pambe. There we go. Up $450 here, baby. Brilliant, mate. Absolutely brilliant. Sorry. Key level support, SFP on Bitcoin. Solana long. Solana lana long. Solana lana long, 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 long. Oh, yeah. Good patience. GG's in the chat, baby. We don't even need a scalping session. We just here, hanging out with you guys, printing. Ooh-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna take most of that off here. We're gonna get mostly out. I'm happy with that. That's a happy day. I'm going to take my money and run today, baby. Up $855. Up $1,000 on the live stream, guys. Jeez. On the live stream, I don't even need to trade the rest of the day. I should probably take the day off. Oh, man. Oh, man. We got to... This is why you guys come here. What a fucking trade, guys. Good job, everybody. Take the profit and run. I don't care if I get stopped now. We're still in a downtrend, guys. This is a retest of previous lows, continuation down. So let's do the giveaway. Do we identify as pre-rich? Bafsai 1, 2 Bokomashu. Congratulations. TJ. Let's go, TJ. My man. Discord member.
Off the floor. Ray Orbison. Kicking down the door. Click buttons. Make money.
Oh. Car. Congratulations, Car. $500, man. Car. TJ. Who's last but not least? UAOO Blue. Congratulations, Blue. God bless you guys. $1,500 giveaway complete. Come back tomorrow for $2,000. Stopped at a Solana, $800. Fucking great live stream, everybody. Great live stream, man. This was, two quick little scalps for $200. Stopped out for $100. Then took the SFP long for $850. What a stream. What a stream. Happy Thursday, everybody. God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. Come back tomorrow. Like, subscribe, join the Discord, all that good shit. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane.